Hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to learn how to use IntelliJ to execute our Java code. So double click on this icon. We have already learned how to install this in our previous video. Now we are just going to see how to use it. Now after clicking on this, you will see a pop-up. Here we need to select on new project. We can name the new project anything, like for example here I'm labeling it as hello. Then the language selected over here is Java. Build system is IntelliJ. JDK will list down the JDK which we have already installed in our laptop. So since we have installed the 18 version, so it will show 18. If in case you have not downloaded, then we have to use this option, download JDK, and link it to this JDK. Now, since we have already learned how to install this in our previous video, we have already selected 18. Now click on create. Now here we can see different folders are created. We need to click on source folder, right click on this. It will show you new option. Go to new, click on Java class. Here we need to write the name of the class. For example, I'll write hello world. Now we need to follow some set of rules while naming a class that I will explain you in my next videos. So I've written here it as hello world. Click on class. So this will create a Java class named as hello world. Now to execute any code, we need a main method. So here we will write public static void main as our method. With string arguments. Then open a curly brace. Enter. Now this is the main method. Here we write whatever we want it to be executed. Now I'll explain you this method in detail later. We'll just learn how to execute a simple Java code in this video. Now here in this we will write sout. When we write sout p, it will show you the shortcut of sout p. That is the system dot out dot println, which will show you what you want to print. Here we can type anything that we wanted to show on the output screen. Like for example, I'll write hello everyone. I'll just remove this. I'll just make it a very simple program to understand. Now this is done. Now clicking on this will build the project. Now build is completed successfully. Now click on link this one run button. Here we can see it is showing the output that is hello everyone. So there are different tabs over here. If you go to the run tab, here it will show you the output that is hello everyone. Whatever we'll write here in system.out.println, it will show over here. So this was a simple Java project which we have executed on the IntelliJ. Thank you.